French beaded forget-me-not, myosotis, flower tutorial. Part 2. Start stringing beads to wire. For that I have used 0.5 mm copper core wire and size 11 beads. Make basic frame by making loop for making center part. Add 3 beads to the basic row. Wrap the beaded wire around basic row at 90-degree angle to make rounded top and rounded bottom. Now you have 3 rows in total. Cut the wire as shown in video. Twist both the end like this. Now take the petals that we have made in part 1 video. If you haven't checked out yet, then I will be sharing the link for part 1 in description below. Now start assembling center part and the petals. Make 2 flowers. Let's head to the leaf part for our forget-me-not flower. Start stringing beads to wire. For that I have used 0.5 mm copper core wire and size 11 beads. Make basic frame by making loop for a leaf. Add beads up to 1 centimeter to the basic row. We will be making pointed top and rounded bottom leaf. For that you need to wrap stringing beads at 45-degree angle from the basic row at the top. And 90-degree at the bottom. Repeat the process until you get the 5 rows including basic row. Like and subscribe for the next part.